Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up an authorized user from a student account. So oftentimes students will want to give their parent or guardian access to pay their tuition bill. If students do not provide parent or guardian with with access to the student account for tuition payments, only the student will receive billing notifications via email. So it's really important that if you have worked out an agreement with your parents or guardian that they are going to pay your tuition bill, that you set them up as an authorized user. So the student will actually need to go in. The first step is to go into the Wilkes University portal, log in using their username and password and any security questions that they may have set up. So here I'm already logged in using a test account. At the top, we have our navigation bar. We're going to navigate to the student tab, and from the drop-down menu, we will be selecting student services. Here, we're going to focus on my account, which is here in the middle for me, and I'm going to click on authorized user. And once I'm here, this will take me to a page where I am able to do some other options besides authorize a user, but we have authorized user here on the side. Just keep in mind that you will need your parent's email address to set them up as an authorized user. So for this account, I don't have any authorized users, but I would like to add one. So I'm going to click on add authorized user. I will need the email address, again, of the parent or guardian. And then just make sure to read these questions and see if that applies to you. Again, there is a FERPA statement here, so please read that through and make sure that you're okay with that. You can select no for these, but I'm gonna click here and select yes. So I will hit continue. And I will go ahead and agree. You can also print the agreement, but I'll hit continue here. And then you are all set up here with the authorized user. If at any time you wanted to edit or delete or show the agreement that we just signed, you would be able to do that. The authorized user will receive their email notification and how to log in and their login ID. So that's, again, up here as a reminder for that particular authorized user. If you have any questions about adding an authorized user, you can always contact the Bursar's office. Phone number is 570-408-4960. And then the email is also billing@wilkes.edu. I'm just going to quickly show here the two emails that we have. So this is what the email would look like, the student name and the username for me. And then here is the student name and password that I will be logging in with. So you'll want to, so it comes in two separate emails to make sure that it's secure. So you want to make sure to make a note of these items. And again, this is sent to the authorized user. So the student won't receive any information that they have done an authorized user, but it will go directly to the authorized user once you hit OK. And again, if you have any questions, you can always contact the Bursar's office.